We're now going to talk about domestic violence injunctions. A domestic violence injunction is a civil matter. It is not a criminal charge, but it can lead to criminal charges because if you violate the domestic violence injunction, that's a crime and you can go to jail for up to a year, be fined $1,000. So an injunction is something that you need to hire a lawyer for, you need to know what you're doing. Basically, an injunction, a domestic violence injunction says, domestic violence has occurred and I'm afraid of this person and I want the court to enter an order preventing them from having any contact with me. The scary part of these things is, as I say, they can lead to criminal charges, but also they don't have a lifespan. They can go on forever. A judge can order until further order from the court. Also, the judge can order that you pay rent, that you do things like this, all in this civil matter. Also, you can't seal an injunction. It's on your record. Let's say it's an allegation of sexual violence of some sort. It's only a civil matter. There it says sexual violence injunction on your record for the rest of your life. So it's a serious thing and you need to hire an attorney. Domestic violence is defined as a battery, which is an illegal touching, an assault, which is a threat of some sort, plus an act to make you believe they're going to follow through, such as shaking your fist and getting close, or stalking, and that seems to be the most common these days with incessant calls, incessant emails, incessant Facebook postings toward a person. So it's a serious matter. There's a judge first examines the allegations and decides whether to grant a temporary. There's then a hearing. My advice is be sure to hire an attorney to represent you. If an injunction is entered, you're not allowed to possess a firearm at that time until the injunction is gone, so your constitutional rights are affected, as well as your ability to get on with your life. If you work together, you live near each other, you do not want this thing granted by the court. My advice again is get a good attorney, make sure you don't try to go there and represent yourself. It's a serious matter that can affect the rest of your life.